In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sort in Microsoft Planner. Microsoft Planner does not sort tasks the same way a spreadsheet does. Instead of automatically sorting tasks alphabetically inside a bucket, Planner helps you organize your tasks using the Group By feature. Grouping changes how tasks are arranged on your board by placing them into columns, or sometimes rows, based on a category you choose. This is the main way to create order and quickly find what you need. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to the plan you want to organize. Navigate to your project or team plan and make sure you are looking at the board view where tasks appear as cards in columns. This is the view where Group By is most useful because it can instantly reorganize the entire board layout. Next, look near the top of the board for the Group By option. By default, many plans show tasks grouped by bucket, which means each column is a bucket and your tasks sit inside those bucket columns. Select Group By Bucket to open the grouping choices. Even if it already says bucket, click it anyway so you can see the menu and confirm what you are currently using. Now click Group By Bucket again to apply or reapply that grouping. This keeps your board organized by bucket columns, and it is a good baseline when you are cleaning up a plan. If your board had been grouped another way earlier, switching back to bucket will return tasks to the bucket layout you are used to. As a practical tip, if you are trying to locate tasks faster, grouping is most helpful when you pick a view that matches your workflow. For example, grouping by due date can help you focus on what is coming up, and grouping by assigned to can help you see workload by person. The key idea is that in Planner, sorting is really about changing the grouping so tasks are visually organized in a way that makes sense for what you are doing right now. Once you have set Group By to bucket, your tasks will be arranged under their bucket headings, making it easier to scan the board and manage work in sections. And that is all there is to it.